Yes, good afternoon. This is AP here, having a look at gold price structure. This is what looks like the closing of market here. It's the closing of market here, pushing price above 4500 level, pushing the price above 4500 level, as well as making some triangular kind of structure here, making some triangular kind of structure. This is the closing of Friday. The closing gave us a triangular structure here at all-time high. I'm pretty interested at sorting market here for at least scalp trade to be done at least $10. Let's take a look at gold, how gold gonna act next week, and I believe they're gonna be decline in price for next week. Straight up, it's straight up. So here we got a situation like I see gold going really polite here. I think gold is going really polite here. Can't believe gold is so polite in weekly. Oh, yes, this is here in weekly for gold. Got a long rally over here. Here we got a situation in gold. Yes, here we got some situation like gold is at long rally here. Has been long rally of pushing price above 2600, 3800, 4000, 4400. Let's see a situation that the situation price gonna retest its support here. Here. Could bounce back to 600 level, gonna be like here. No, it's gonna be like 800 or 900 level, above 800 level here. This could be the scenario for gold. We gotta see a massive decline from to here also. Yes, this is AP taking a look at gold price, that gold has been running so smoothly, pushing the price higher and higher since last 25 years, and right now in it's at all-time high 4450, 4500 as well. Gonna make a new high of 4600, but before making new high of 4600, this gonna retest its key level area 4000 level, 4400 level. This gonna retest its key level area here. Looks like pretty amazing here that gold is so polite here. Rally pushing price higher and higher. Here got a massive heavy buying pressure from 3226 level area. It's gonna be a markable zone also. Massive buying pressure here. Here, this is the live scenario. Gold price. Sure. This is AP here taking a look at gold live price. Figuring out that gold has a long rally, pushing price above high and high, 3600 level, 4000 level, and it's at all-time high 4500 4515 zone. Above 4500 is all-time high for gold since past 25 years. Here is a situation that before making new high, gold need to push down below 4450 4400 to find a support at the key level area of 4450 and 4400 level. It gonna build a support and continue its rally, pushing price higher and higher above 4600. Thank you for having me. Keep tuned and stay with us. In next video we'll get more information. Next video, I'll meet you in next video. Take care. Keep sorting market. This is AP here. Yes, good afternoon. This is AP here, having a look at gold price structure. This is what looks like the closing of market here. It's the closing of market here, pushing price above 4500 level, pushing the price above 4500 level, as well as making some triangular kind of structure here, making some triangular kind of structure. This is the closing of Friday. The closing gave us a triangular structure here, at all-time high. I'm pretty interested at sorting market here for at least scalp trade to be done at least $10. Let's take a look at gold, how gold gonna act next week, and I believe they're gonna be decline in price for next week. Straight up, it's straight up. So here we got a situation like I see gold going really polite here. I think gold is going really polite here. Can't believe gold is so polite in weekly. Oh, yes, this is here in weekly for gold. Got a long rally over here. Here we got a situation in gold. Yes, here we got some situation like gold is at long rally here. Has been a long rally of pushing price above 2600, 3800, 4000, 4400. situation that the situation price gonna retest its support here. Here. Could bounce back to 600 level, gonna be like here. No, it's gonna be like 800 or 900 level. Above 800 level here. This could be the scenario for gold. We gotta see a massive decline from to here also. Yes, this is AP taking a look at gold price, that gold has been running so smoothly, pushing the price higher and higher since last 25 years, and right now it's at all-time high 4450, 4500 as well. Gonna make a new high of 4600, but before making new high of 4600, this gonna retest its key level area 4000 level, 4400 level. This gonna retest its key level area here. It looks like pretty amazing here that gold is so polite here. Rally pushing price higher and higher. Here got a massive heavy buying pressure from 3226 level area. It's gonna be a markable zone also. Massive buying pressure here. Here, this is the live scenario. Gold price. Sure. This is AP here taking a look at gold live price. Figuring out that gold has a long rally, pushing price above high and high, 3600 level, 4000 level, and it's at all-time high 4500 4515 zone. Above 4500 is all-time high for gold since past 25 years. Here is a situation that before making new high, gold need to push down below 4450 4400 to find the support at the key level area of 4450 and 4400 level. It gonna build a support and continue its rally, pushing price higher and higher above 4600. Thank you for having me. Keep tuned and stay with us. In next video we'll get more information. Next video, I'll meet you in next video. Take care. Keep sorting market. This is AP here. Yes, this is AP here taking a look at gold live price structure. Right now gold have given us closing of 4509, which is pretty high. I'm really interested in sorting out the price here. 4509 is pretty high. It's too high price for gold all time. Oh yeah, we can say that gold is at all time high here. Gold price has closed above all time high, recording 4509 right now. Just if we having a look at gold live price, let's see what the Monday opening gonna be like. Here we go. It has made some triangular structure here. The height 4517. Let's buy it at this zone. Yeah, yeah. breaking out this triangular structure. Yes, this is AP having a look at gold live price. I'm making uh I'm making scenario here. Gold is making a scenario here that the closing has formed a triangular structure which gonna lead a breakdown below. Initial breakdown that would be a scalp trade here at the opening of market. Here we gotta see the opening of market. Short run here breaking down below 450 would hit 4500, so we can place some orders here. We can place short orders at this triangular structure. Yet I would like to confirm that while Monday opening of the market, at the right moment of opening, we can place some short orders here, as I personally believe market is gonna give $3 to $4 of gap up and then it's gonna open. uh, Personally I believe market gonna give $3 to $4 of gap up and we can place some short positions right after the gap up. So let's wait for Monday opening. We can sell at this triangular zone. It's right on 4510 running. It will give a gap up of around maybe around $3 of maybe seen. Maybe $4 of gap up could take place here. Yes, right now gold has given us Friday weekend closing at the price of 4508, and I'm pretty much interested at buying here, quite interested at buying here. Yes, this is AP. Stay tuned. Thank you for having us. Please check out our next video for getting more informations of gold price. Yes, good afternoon. This is AP here, taking a look at gold live price from Nepal. Here we gotta see like gold has given us closing of all-time high ever recorded for 509. Its all-time high is for 510, for 516, whatever its previous all-time high, and still it's making newer high and high. Looks like in the rally on trial for gold, pushing price above 4600. 4600 would be initial higher price this week. Yes, this is AP here taking a look that how can we make profit on Monday opening. Here we got a scenario like this. Market has given us closing of triangular structure here. See how this gonna play around here. We got a closing of triangular structure. Here be some sort of triangular structure where it is making, yeah, you can still make profit in this triangular structure. Here's the first high, first high, sorry, second high, the third one here, fourth one here. Scenario is like gonna break below. We can place some short scalp here. Yes, this is AP here taking a look at gold live price structure. Here, the market has given us closing of all-time high ever recorded since last 25 year. Yes, this is the closing of all-time high ever recorded since last 25 years. And Friday closing has given us a triangular structure here. Mm, and I feel like triangular structure ain't going to break above, so it's going to break down below 4500 area level. Here we can place some short positions, uh, assuming this as a resistance here. We can place some short orders here, assuming this as resistance. Now typically that we have TP. Yes, this is AP here. Thank you for having a look on our video. Please stay tuned, stay updated. Gold is going to hit 4450 key level soon. Short at the level of 4416 at every high. It gonna make at every lower high also. Lower high gonna confirm the bearish decline in the price, as well as we can place some short positions from the all-time high of market. There is no need to worry. All-time high is really favorable price to push price below key level 4450, and some more below. Gold can push price below 4450 as well as hitting 4400 also overnight. No big surprises, because these are key levels where gold gonna find some kind of support. Yes, thank you for having me here. We'll meet in next video. Stay tuned. bullish right now. It's 1.0. Yes, this is AP here. Taking a look at gold live price. Closing of the market is 4509 here. We are dealing with some situations like pushing price at the higher price, all-time high. Yes, gold is at all-time high right now. 4, 5, 10, 5, 12, 5, 16. It's all-time high right now. Gold has never been recorded such high. It is the highest price ever since past 50, 25 years, past 25 years. Yeah, gold is at all-time high last 25 years. Gold has been at all-time high last 25 years. It looks like sort of rally, pushing price higher and higher. Here we got a scenario. Yeah, this is what it looks like in weekly one. See how price keep pushing higher and higher. It's the weekly one. Here we got a scenario like has been and figure out something here. We gotta know that central banks also continues to accumulate gold, of course, cutting rates around the world, especially the Federal Reserves. I don't know what this all sits with central banks, reserves, Federal Reserves. Yeah, here we gotta know that central banks continue to accumulate gold and, of course, cutting rates around the world. These Federal Reserves, we gotta know that gold is recently allocated as something related with asset. Uh, we can say that gold, this metal has been precious. We can take it as asset locator also. It has been pushing its price since past 25 years higher and higher. This is plus 4500 dollars. 4500 is all time high here. So definitely we can expect some pullbacks at the support and some key levels. Gotta clear some dates, gotta clear some, yeah, some rates are getting cut off here, so we can expect some pullbacks and then finding after retesting and pullbacks of several key levels, gold can continue its price hiking higher and higher, pushing price above 4600. Doubts can also hit 4900 overnight. Yeah, this is how gold is pushing price higher and higher. At the closing of every Friday, we gotta see gold is pushing higher and higher. That's what the scenario looks like for gold here. Let's check in details how gold pushed towards a new high. Here is a situation that we gotta wait for. We but right now I got a situation for myself and my colleagues. Dear friends, we can still put some like yeah, Dear friends, I would like to request everyone that we can still sort market from all-time high. No doubt there gonna be some pullbacks and retests towards key levels like 4450, 4400. These two are really important key levels. Let me mention it over here. I'd like to mention that 4450 and as well 4400 key level here. Yeah, his situation that we got short of key level. Hmm. Previously, I mentioned some important, really important details about gold, how it accumulates. Yeah, I would like to repeat it. Please mark it. Please note it down. Like gold, the stuff is the really interesting thing is that central banks continues. Really, the central banks are really putting some interest, continuing to accumulate gold, and of course, cutting rates around the world. Is really serious factor here. Situation gonna push the price of gold higher and higher. Here, if the central banks still they are having interest here, they finding there are lots of contracts and bonds also as well. Like yes, something relating. Let me let me check it out in details here. Yes, good afternoon. This is AP here from Nepal, taking a look at gold live price. Uh, Closing of gold was all-time high. Closing of Friday gave us price above all-time high. Yeah, because this is AP having a look at gold price. No doubt that gold is pushing its price higher and higher. Every Friday closing, we gotta see a new high. No doubts that from all. Yeah, here I'm really interested. Here I'm really interested at shorting market for certain like pullbacks. This gonna give some pullbacks here. I like to short. Uh, I'm really interested to short gold right now. What we can do is like at the opening of market we can short gold for like we can scalp some. We can get around 50 and $100. So easy moves to gold this week. here gonna be so easy move for gold. Short and pullbacks and decline in price will uh, push price below key levels like 4450 and 4400 as well. Please note it down. Price pullbacks and declines gonna hit like 4450 and 4400. Yes, gold is at all-time high. No doubt since last past 25, this is the highest price ever recorded. No doubt there is like all-time high price ever recorded since last 25 year. This is the all-time high price. Yes, all-time high. What could be the reason that gold is going to push its price higher and higher every weekend closing? We gotta see some new price here. Let's check it out. Seriously, I gotta see some details. I gotta know something about like central banks are continuing to accumulate gold and of course cutting rates around the world, especially the Federal Reserves here. It seems like the central banks are quite interested here. They are accumulating gold and of course cutting rates around the world also. These are the issue that going to push the price above higher and higher, all-time high. Every week, Friday closing, we gotta see a new closing above high, a new higher and high. Uh, we can I would like to mention that also now gold has been also several bulls contracts and signs uh, also mention these policies. Gold is also now as we can take gold as asset allocator also. Yes, gold has been an asset allocator also, and seriously these all these all decisions gonna accumulate gold and we gotta see like every Friday closing we get a new high here. mm, All-time high right now. We gotta see a scenario in gold that it is pushing price higher and higher, slightly higher and higher. Long trial, yeah, pushing its price higher and higher. Rally of high price here. We gotta see a trend like this is weekly one. We're right now taking a look at weekly chart of gold. This is the weekly one. Yes, I would like to mention that in weekly here we gotta see some stuff like in every Friday closing, we gold gotta push high, new high. Every Friday closing, I gotta see high in price, increase in price. This increase in price can push price rising above around 4900 level. 4900 level 4900 level would be potential target here. 4900 level, it seems to be potential target here. I'd like to mention. All right, I'll mark it over here. Yes, after this rally of long hike, we gotta see a potential target towards 4900 level. Let's say target 4900 could be a new high. Yes, still, I guess till February, till last of this February, we gotta see a new high. 4900, 4900 could be a new high here. Gold has been asset allocator. It's gonna push its price higher and higher also because it's so precious metal also. Really, eh, from the point of psychology also we can see that no matter how much decline comes to the gold, no matter what price pushes downward, certain policies every decades there is some new step into decision that gonna accumulate gold for like these central banks are accumulating gold and cutting rates around the world. This gold has been mentioned as this metal is gonna be asset allocator now. These all stocks gonna make the price of gold higher and higher, all-time high. Uh, no matter how much decline it brings to the price, it might one day it might gonna hit towards 3200, 32300 level also. One day it might gonna be 3300, but for sure there would be the rise and continuation in the price high of the gold all-time high. It's gonna give us new price every Friday closing. Weekly chart gonna be so like weekly chart gonna be pushing price higher every Friday closing gonna get a new high price. So here we got a scenario that yeah, let's talk something like see how skyrocket is gonna be here. It's gonna move like no matter what the scenario is, I'm gonna give the closing above. This is like something like gangster shit, always high. I'm at the top of the market. Yes, and here I'm quite interested at sorting from this point here. Quite interested at sorting of the market here, right here at the top of the market. Quite interested of sorting at these levels. Like to mark some. This is gonna be really interesting level here. This upcoming next week gold gonna give a better pullbacks, better price decline towards key levels. So I'm really interested here to short some. Uh, yes, from this point of price level, we gotta see some selling zone here. Big selling. Nah, so not yeah. Big selling zone could be a big selling zone also. Let's see how it gonna retest its key level and uh, do this gold gonna find their support or gonna break below. But for sure, it's gonna retest and give some pullbacks below 4510. Yes, this could be a great opportunity for bringing some easy profits here. Situation here. See how gold gonna give its closing above and above, price higher and higher. Every Friday closing, we gotta see a new high, and definitely let's calculate from 37 level to 4372. Let's do a bit of calculations here. It's gonna like around $2,000 above. Oh shit, man. This gonna be $2,000 of price increase. Ooh, this is a really interesting. Yes, dear friends, I'd like to mention that right now the scenario of gold is like we are trading at all-time high price of gold ever recorded since last 25 year. This is the all-time high price of gold. We are trading at the highest level price of gold last past 25 years. This is a really interesting factor here. This generation gonna be so lucky that the gold price is all-time high, pushing above all-time high since last 25 years here. And I'm quite interested of sorting market here below many key levels. Gonna make some new structures. Let's see how gold gonna move next month, next week, and onwards. Right now, I am interested to short market here. I'm gonna place some orders of short shillings here. $1,000 of price hike price. Really interesting thing. Got a short market from here. I'd like to mention a simple logic for gold. For gold, for any market, yes, this would be capable of working on any market. See, we gotta see long rise here since the support 1800, 1600 level, 1800, 1600 level was long sideways. This was amazing journey here. We gotta make so great trade profits at this sideways. We're selling at higher level, buying at lower level. This was the amazing year for trade. I still remember my 23, 22, 2022, 2023 was amazing year for trade that allowed us to easy profits without any risk. Sideways can be bring you lots of profit. In sideways, what it gonna do is like there is a resistance and a support, and market gonna play. You just need to place order at sort at high, sell at high, uh, and buy at low, take long positions at low of the sideways. And whenever you gotta like break out, there is no risk almost. You only get to hit one, two, three wrong stop loss at the end of breakout of the sideways. Sometimes you gotta deal with profits also, but in this sideways we can place around according to your account and equity size. Literally, we're gonna place around okay, let's talk about my trading journey of that 22 and 23. 2022 and 2023, I gotta uh, place orders like buy and sell both like trend where the trend goes, where the sideways brings. There was a scenario like there is sideways, and inside a sideways we gotta see some bullish trend, bearish trend. But no matter where that gotta be, that bullish trend is inside a sideways, and that bearish trend is also inside a sideways. No matter it's bullish or bearish, the market will keep moving sideways, maintaining a trend. Sometimes it's gonna be bullish, sometimes it's gonna be bearish, but overall price action, overall change in price will be sideways at a particular zone. And that was amazing. For that is a conclusion of that sideways topic is every even a beginner trader, also a beginner trader can make better money. Easy trades are posted at sideways, and then after the breakouts of yeah, here it goes. After the breakout of sideways above 1800 level, we gotta see gold starts its rally, continues price pushing higher and higher. We gotta see a big change in price, higher and higher, and still expecting for yes, I gotta place some new orders here. Going to short market, short some till 4450, 4400. can get some pullbacks here, pullbacks and decline in price. Gonna hit 4450 as well, 4400 soon till the end of February. We gotta see some new high also. But for right now, the situation in gold is like we got a change in situation somehow. We gotta see some pullbacks here after this long hike rally, pushing price higher and higher. We gotta see some pullbacks below 4450 as well as 4400 also. Yes, this is AP taking a look at gold live price. We gotta assume this situation in details. We gotta push in details that how gold is going to push its price higher and higher above, and how this gonna retest its key levels at 450044. Sorry, that how it gonna retest it measure key levels at 4450 as well as 4400. Yes, this is the weekly analysis here. We gotta sort some, keep updated, stay tuned. We gotta show how gold is pushing its price declining. Now gold gonna decline its price in daily time frame also. Yes, let's check it out how it goes. I'm going to put some shorts over here at the opening of market. At the opening of market, we can put some shorts. Please watch our previous video so that you can know how we place some shorts in our previous video. And still I'm holding some shorts here at the all-time high price. Gonna place some more shorts here according to account. uh we'll discuss about that later in next video. All right, this long hike rally here. Yes, breaking of this channel would confirm some. It's gonna break here again, selling zone here. Oh shit. Means like this can next candle gonna retest a new next candle gonna maybe, but very low probability. Yeah, can't risk it out there. All right, here we got a scenario. Quite interested at pulling some shorts here at the top of market. Yes, this is AP taking a look at gold live price. Stay updated, stay tuned. This is AP taking a look at live price gold. Last Friday closing is all-time high. Gold is pushing its price higher and higher of all time. Seriously, now it is gonna bring some pullbacks and rejections, uh, retesting some key levels like 450, 400 levels. Some pullbacks gonna be seen next week. Opening of next will be opening of next week will be some bearish continuation structure there at lower time frames, and at weekly time frame it will retest it key level area 4450 4400 soon, and then it continues its rally onwards above a new high. This is for gold live right now. Stay tuned for next video. We'll be talking in details about this. Yes, this is AP here taking a look at gold live price structure. Right now gold have given us closing of 4509, which is pretty high. I'm really interested in sorting out the price here. 4509 is pretty high. It's too high price for gold all time. Oh yeah, we can say that gold is at all time high here. Gold price has closed above all time high, recording 4509 right now. Just if we having a look at gold live price, let's see what the Monday opening gonna be like. Here we go. It has made some triangular structure here. The height 4517. Let's buy it at this zone. Yeah, yeah. breaking out this triangular structure. Yes, this is AP having a look at gold live price. I'm making uh I'm making scenario here. Gold is making a scenario here that the closing has formed a triangular structure, which gonna lead a breakdown below. Initial breakdown that would be a scalp trade here at the opening of market. Here we gotta see the opening of market. Short run here, breaking down below 450. Would hit 4500. So we can place some orders here. We can place short orders at this triangular structure. Yet I would like to confirm that while Monday opening of the market, at the right moment of opening, we can place some short orders here, as I personally believe market is gonna give $3 to $4 of gap up and then it's gonna open. uh, Personally I believe market gonna give $3 to $4 of gap up and we can place some short positions right after the gap up. So let's wait for Monday opening. We can sell at this triangular zone. It's right on 4510 running. It will give a gap up of around maybe around $3 of gap up maybe seen. Maybe $4 of gap up could take place here. Yes, right now gold has given us Friday weekend closing at the price of 4508, and I'm pretty much interested at buying here, quite interested at buying here. Yes, this is AP. Stay tuned. Thank you for having us. Please check out our next video for getting more informations of gold price. Good afternoon. This is AP taking a look at gold live price. The weekend of Friday gave us closing below above 4509. Friday has closing of 4509, and here the gold price is at all-time high, uh, pretty all-time high, and I'm interested here sorting the market. Here the closing has made a structure of uh, closing has made a very triangular structure here, which can trigger uh, fall down in price of around $10. So here we can put some short trades, open some short here. Yeah, this is AP here taking a look at gold live price, supposed to be declined at opening of Monday market. Yes, this is AP here taking a look at gold live price. This is the closing of Friday. Here gold has given us closing of Friday like this. Triangular structure. I see some sort of triangular structure here. Gonna break down below. This is a breakdown triangular structure. Draw it a bit like this. So we have breakdown structure here. Hello, this is AP taking a look at gold. Yes. See, we have already discussed about this structure here. This is the structure on the basis of this neckline we have been buying here, and wow, gold gap around $50 of movement. Oh, here, here is the buying point at the neckline of the structure, and then as we decided at the opening of the market, it also went to here to here, then here, gap around to $90, around $90. Oh, ah. So what's happening here? Let's check it out. Here I see three rejections. I see three rejections here, rejecting three times. So it will, uh, right now it will be like from 405 to 7 zone. It can come to around 90 and spike up to. Okay, so this might happen here. So I'll still tell keep buying gold till it hit 4,600. See pretty good expected, pretty good trade here. Before opening the market, we were here before opening of the market. Uh, Sunday night, I already told you all guys that this is the soldiers, inverse hidden soldiers, or buttons, and here are the entry points, neckline as entry point. You can buy anywhere at this area zone. Uh, Keep buying while market opens at 19 or 20. It spiked up to 30, 31. So soon heated up to 69. And right now it's running over here with this structure where I can find like it is making an ascending triangle, something like that. Break the structure upside, it will hit up to 50. So what happens here? I guess it will break this structure upside. So here is still buying gold. Today it might hit up to 4460. The first day of this week, Monday, January 5. This is Alok AP taking a look at gold. Still, I would like to say keep buying till it hits 4,460 today or tomorrow. And then finally, at the end of this week, up to Friday, it gonna hit 4,600. Yeah, this is the structure of gold here. Live structure of right now. I can see like I it came like here, took a support here, and then it will try to break 16. If broke 16, it will get higher than 24. It's lovely point here. Still buy, keep buying gold. Thanks for being here. This is the AP taking a look at gold, and the forecast will be still buying position, hold it out up to 4,600. Okay, let's check it over here also once. What's going on over here? So can buy many gold here. Just gold. See our profit positions over down here, and I'm gonna push many buy here. The target will be 4,600. The very first entry for buying is 4,316 to 4,326, and then the very first target will be 4,410. Hmm. Here, this is AP. We have already discussed where it gold might move next, and I'm sure this gonna break this triangular structure here in the upside, and the movement will be 4430 after an hour. You can still buy here on the basis of this trend line here. We can still buy. We can still buy here as the structure is making symmetrical triangle type structure. We can still buy on the basis of this support. Here is the support. Here is minor support to the gold. This is the minor support for the gold right now. If gold touches this line, we can keep this line as stop loss and put some buy here also up to 443 will be initial target right now. Yes, thank you. This is AP taking a look at gold. Gold forecast will be higher. 4,406 will be 4,600. 4,600 would be the target. Thank you. This is AP. Keep tuned, bro. See you soon. So here we go. Mm-mm-mm. I'm waiting here for opening of the market. XAUUSD. So that I can buy some. Midnight 2:30. Still missing. This lays outside. Okay, these two still discuss this. So keep buying, keep says keep buying, keep buying till it hits 4,600. Buy here at the neckline. Already told you. Hit firstly 4,455 higher and then higher. So keep sure. swear market gonna move with this zone all this week. This zone over here, and slowly it will rise up to 4,600. Seeing it over here from here when it was around 16, 17. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Oh, those days. Whoa, where I made lots. Ooh, those past. These are past art. Damn, man. Oh, here I predicted of a fall down. I remember this one. It did fall a little here. Damn a prediction. That was for sure. Oh, what a lovely day. Those trades were so successful and fast. Watching gold. Here, see how accurate I was. I've been doing this since in 11th and 12 plus 2 standard. See these trend lines. Oh, I also used Fave over here. These some good trades. That was a great prediction of mine. This one. Oh, hey man, I remember those days. I still remember those days. Yes, man. Oh shit, man. I still gotta check more back, bro. What? Why can't I go back? Oh, it's saying your plan only sees 5,000 bars. Go further back in time by upgrading your plan today. Oh, right. So I need to buy premium for that. Oh, then put 30 again. I know gold, uh, even past of this is still around 1700. I've been done like when it was 15, 1600. Yeah, I've been watching gold since when it was here. Here, this was the starting of my career here into gold. I'm doing pretty good, not good, pretty. Oh, excellent, super brilliant. I have been watching gold since it was 14, 1500, 1600. I remember I was learning some structure sheet, some volumes, that political factors, that powerful bankers stuff like. See, see, now where has it gone? Daily one. This daily time frame, like this way. The best tries. Hear about lot and lot, many and more. This was the biggest trade ever in the history of my career here. Oof. See? Let me tell you something important. I'm a little sleepy right now, but I'll try and clear my throat. Mm, there is a simple principle of law of the market for especially in gold and commodities. I'll tell you that. See this skyrocket. No market only moves in one single direction. See, it's going skyrocket like from here to here. Sky. This is called illegal movement. This is the illegal for me. This is called online, very well planned, taking the advantage of all those wars and natural disaster like coronavirus suffering, that war, and many others. So what we can see is a little bullish movement up and a big crash, big fall down in gold after years. Will take their profit out of this gold. Market got a big crash today. No market runs in straight single direction, brother. Here we see really live example in daily chart frame. So let's see in 4 hour. How about 4 hour? See it's skyrocket. So today this gonna crash very bad. But till now I'm gonna say buy till 4,600. Keep buying, keep buying. It will hit higher than 4,600 also. But for safe and best trade, for taking out profit at maximum level, stay safe also. Keep buying till it hits 4,600 from opening of the market. Good luck for trade. Also take care.